Our students have a wonderful opportunity here in the ISD to get real-world experience while they're taking classes during the day. I'm so excited about the collaboration with Blue Ridge Bank and Trust. We're doing something that's very unique.
A capstone experience for independent school district students interested in finance and banking. The new Blue Ridge Bank location is being renovated on the historic Independence Square to offer students a real-world, hands-on experience offered only in the ISD.
I think it's an amazing process to be in because I started in Freshman Academy and grew all the way up into it, and I've been a part of multiple capstones, and it's an amazing experience to be a part of.
ISD student Hannah Knoll is in personal finance and is excited about the possibilities being built here.
Students will be able to do the day-to-day functions of the bank and oversee that. I've done some job shadows in marketing, I've done some job shadows in finance, and I've really figured out what exact path I want to pursue.
The bank has a classroom taking shape in the front of the bank, and that classroom just steps away from a real-life classroom in the banking industry.
Kids actually will be able to leave their classroom and go right into a banking experience where they learn about, first of all, the finance piece, but also learn how to be a professional and how they need to interact with the public every day. What a great experience for our kids.
The academies are having such a positive influence. We've been a big supporter of the academy programs in the district for years, and this gives us an opportunity to help with the community, to help educate folks about community banking, but some real-world experiences.
Blue Ridge Bank president and proud ISD graduate Bill Esri is excited about the partnership and the possibilities.
I'm a third-generation Independence resident, graduated from Truman High School, and started working summers at Blue Ridge Bank right out of high school in the mailroom. So I've had an opportunity to see the whole process from the mailroom all the way to being president of the bank.
This financial literacy opportunity will help students become familiar with all aspects of a bank, including savings, loans, operations, and audits. It also covers the history of banking, the organizational structure, and marketing and customer service. The bank is set to open in May. Students can choose to work at the bank over the summer, and class begins this fall in this unique experiential learning opportunity only in the ISD.
This may be one of the first in the country. All the others that we've heard about have been partnerships on school property, primarily for the students and the faculty. This is a community bank in the community run by students.